Hey, okay, so in this video I'm going to do the fried marbles in the, I guess, more traditional way by putting them on the cookie sheet. I'm lucky I've got one of these cookie sheets that's got the smooth end, so they'll just slide right off and into the bowl of ice water. So the previous video I did was showing how to do the fried marbles on the cooktop in a frying pan. Did it on medium heat, got away with it being only 20 minutes, not even. I think it wasn't even quite 20 minutes. On the high side of the medium heat, so like around like at the D of the MED. So if you're like me and you notice that your frying pan really didn't appreciate you doing that to it, we're going to give the baking method a try. Now, I was told to do the fried marbles in the oven at 500 for 30 minutes. I've baked glass before. I know that that is not correct. You can do these at a much lower temperature of about 375 for 30 minutes rather than 500 for 30 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to set the oven, and hopefully these are going to come out as nicely as the ones that we did in the frying pan. These are the ones that were done in the frying pan. There's the before. This is how those came out. I'm hoping these will be just as spectacular. If you're noticing my countertop and you want to know how that was done, this was a white Formica countertop. I have a video out about that, showing you how to change your ugly Formica into a granite, well, the illusion of granite, a faux finish to make it look like you've got a granite countertop. And it is a one-day project, so easy. So, back to the fried marbles. Gonna see what kind of effect we get, and then I'm gonna compare the ones that were done, all these guys done in the frying pan, versus what comes out of the oven, and which one gives you a better result. Got these at the Dollar Tree for $1. Gonna use them for the backsplash. And I will post that when I'm doing the backsplash, showing people how to do a cheap hack, because glass is so expensive. It's just ridiculous.
You'll do what you want to do. Kind of like me. Saw a video from the other girl and I'm still like, I'll do what I do. I tinker. I'm sure if you're watching this, you're one of those girls that tinkers too, and you'll do what you want to do with it.
Okay, there's that. Gonna put them in the oven, 375, 30 minutes. Come back with a big bowl of ice water. We just, I've already got the ice water going with some ice in it. I'm gonna put even more ice in, and I'd say give it at least 10 minutes before you're gonna throw these baubles into the water to make sure it is icy, icy cold, because it is the key to making these crackle. Okay, it's all ready to come out of the oven. And let's see what happens. Whoops. Yikes. Hot. Hot. Okay, so again, learn from my mistake. Don't put too many on the pan. Let's see if this works. We'll still.
They cooled down too much. Yeah, they cooled down too much. Oh no, it worked, it worked. It worked. Oh, blazing hot.
Okay, so thank God for tongs. Here's what we got. Oh yeah. No, I would say yeah, okay, so the frying pan method is the better method. This is one from the frying pan, and here's what you've got from the oven. I guess it depends on the look you're really going for. If you want a real crackly crackled versus not really so much. And let me come around and show the difference. Okay, so here's one from the oven. Much less crackled. This is the one from the frying pan. Much better crackling. So I guess the next experiment is to see if I can put these in the frying pan and get them to crackle up more, or whether they'll just break. So that'll be another experiment. So frying pan method, overall much better than the oven method.